Hello guys, I'm Bhavna Chawla. Welcome to Smart Horizon. In this video, we will be learning how to create this infinity flip-flop. It's a very easy process. Even children can follow the steps really easily. For making this, all you need is a pencil, scale, two colored sheets, and I'll put scale on one end of the paper and make a line. Now we will again put our scale on the line made first and again draw a line of the width of the scale. Now we will do the same for the other color paper. I will cut these strips from both the papers now. Now I have these 4 strips ready with me. I'll put Fevicol at one end and paste the other strip like this. And start folding the paper, the ribbons, in the way I am showing it to you. Paste the other strip at the end of the first strip like this. I am doing this for both the colors. Start folding it in the same way till the end. Paste the rest of the paper like this. Now, in the end, at last, you have to paste these two ends of this ribbon like I am showing. And your flip-flop is ready to use. If you like my video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new content. Thank you for watching.